to the Mets lovelies and friends, and a happy new year to each and every one. And I'm hoping that you guys will start off your new year with a wonderful
Today is
big
such a quiet
bang.
day. What's going on?
Yes, because we're getting into a year that will be filled with love, joy, peace, and happiness. And guess what? I expect that all of my lovelies will have a
Lunchtime.
wonderful year this year.
So that
Prosperity,
sort of quiet then.
peace, happiness, joy, and fulfillment. And whatever that you're lacking last
Leftover
year,
from
whatever
last
it is
night.
that you were lacking
Me
last
have it
year,
for lunch.
I wish you that this year, I
Italian
wish for you
food.
that this year will be
Me have broccoli,
better and
mushroom,
the
and
best
shrimp.
year ever for you. So
You
now,
get,
today
you
we
get
have
like at the
Marcia
restaurant last night, I
on the
get about
mix.
6
So
jumbo
you
shrimp.
know you have to go ahead and catch
The
what
shrimp
Marcia
are
has to
used.
say. Marcia is bigging up
So I'm just
Tina
having
Chin
the
because she's
leftover.
saying that Tina Chin
I mean, I
reached
make
out
this
to
go
her,
waste.
to wish her a happy new
Yes, I
year
sure
and
ain't.
to, say hi
So
to
what are you
her.
guys doing on this?
And she's bigging
Cause there's
Tina
not much
Chin up. And
things.
she's also having her meal, talking about
Yes, my
other
dear.
stuff as well, as we
There
already
that
know.
much thing
That
today you
Marcia is
can do.
going to
Today
come
is
out
like
and she's
a,
just going to
I
speak her
don't even know
mind.
if them
So
all open.
go
Them
ahead
all
and
open for
catch
New
the
Year's
video,
Day.
people. And remember to like, share, comment,
Happy New Year.
and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovely
So I'm having
people, have yours a wonderful
my
evening.
leftover Italian food from
And
last
as I
night.
said before, a wonderful year to come. Thank
Cause
you.
to Tina Chin, who reached out to me this morning to wish me Happy New Year and blessed me up to tell me thank you, yes, for all that I've done for her. And I know that she's talking about promotion and this and that and whatever. Big up yourself, Tina Chin. That's what woman is for. We are supposed to be helping each other and promote each other. You understand? That is what we're supposed to do on social media. If you have a cake place, we're supposed to promote a cake. And if me have a sheet, you're supposed to tell the audience if you come buy a sheet from me. Remember, it's a bird and fly upon one wings. You understand? So that is what we're supposed to do out here. We're supposed to promote people when we as women, we're empowering ourselves. You understand? That is what all of us supposed to do that. We're not supposed to fight against each other because there are so much people in the world and we are not taking nothing out of each other's pocket. You understand? Because everybody have their own things to sell. So big up yourself, and I mean like the approach that you're taking. I realize that you're not hands on haters, and the same thing me I go do. You understand? I mean want you to join along with me in many ways to fight the discrimination and the disrespectful on social media. We have to put our foot down. We can make money out here without disrespecting people, because you can be creative in your own mind. Because the African them are being very creative. Very, very creative. And them are make mad money. And all them do is just come up and just do something. You know? It's simple foolishness and you can't make money. We not have to come out and downgrade each other. Yeah. You can't come out and behaving like that and feel say it is nice. You don't know what it's doing to people emotionally and physically. When people become obsessive, you don't know what it can lead to. You understand? Because money is the root of all evil. So I'm rolling out all my supporters them. Stop the bullying. Let us do something to stop the bullying. You understand? For 2024. Allow people to use their talent. Foolishness. You can't just go. You can't just come from Facebook and put on your pot and say you're going to cook to a rundown just like this. And you get millions of views. Yeah. Just like this. You can't just come in front. Nowadays, a peer eating a take place. You come and make one big pot of food. Go make one big pot of food and yummy. You understand? People love shrimp. Them love crab leg. And people love this when people love crab leg. A lot of money. A lot of people turn millionaire. The African them eating. All kind of thing with their hand. Go try something. Use no talent from left, right, and center. Me have a lot of talent and I will be using it. And that's why I want you guys to please to follow this page. Come on, people. We need 500. We need 300 more to go. Come on, we can do it. Come on, people. 300 following. Right now, we need for that page. We'll start it off. 300. Come on. We can do it. You understand? We can do it. Marcia have a lot of talent. Some of them may not even possess it out here. You understand? But me want to make sure that things are nip in the butt. So when me know so nobody no care what me things, else them get sued for it. So let's begin the process. And taking back our liberty. And running because people are dying. And so somebody call me and tell me saying, yes, so this girl where they call herself Planka. She dropped down, must be dead. I mean, you say everything negative, everything and whatever she not top defend. I hope that when the day when she did, she was able to say, Lord, forgive me for all the sin that I've done. Because if she come on social media and cuss and share and do everything for people, she probably even cuss me out too. Because me say she a die-hearted one. And she dead now and gone. Right? And if she's a die-hearted Planka, you know say me must get some cussing too. Yes, so she dropped dead. Yes. So, let's see how that go. So let's reflect in our mind and see who we're fighting for. Because we don't know when we are going on. Because most of us can't die. Because the other day I got a doctor, my blood pressure was high. My blood pressure was so high at the highest me ever see it. And me never feel, no farmer, me not feel one way, yes, a lie me I tell. I was feeling some hot and cold, something rushing on my head. And I was feeling very dizzy. And me was like, what's going on? And when I went to the doctor, my blood pressure was 150 over 103. I have never seen my blood pressure like that before. And I was feeling funny. Yeah, I was feeling funny. I tell my friends, me go to doctor. I say, go on to Dr. Marcia. You understand? So I could have dropped down. I could have a stroke over people when I live life like me. So just to show you, there's a lot of silent things going on out there. That's how much my blood pressure was. Me never see my blood pressure so high. And me up and down driving all over the place and up and down driving all over the place. And that's how much it was. Never in my life ever see my blood pressure like that. 158 over 103. When my blood pressure do like that, why should I allow these people to run up my blood pressure when there is law for them? And when me dead and gone now, them dep on Facebook against laugh a piece up and laugh for me and say, oh, we glad she drop and dead. And when me get a stroke now, them dash me in a nursing home. Who is going to look after me? You think my sister them will come and Carolina come look after me? You think they will transfer me to a nursing home? To place? Who is going to look after me? You tell me now. We have to put our foot down for 2024. A serious time now. Serious time. Your serious time. I'm asking your lovely supporters to come along with me. I need your help. You can make a donation. And we're going to seek a lawyer. And we're going to make a donation. Believe me, I make them fool you. There is rules and regulation. You see what I'm saying? There is rules and regulation. People have freedom of speech, but freedom of speech at what extent? A lot of them are behaving like that because them know say you don't have no money to go further with it. But once you have the money to go further with it, you have to put a stoppage to it. And this is where, so if you don't want this type of bullying to stop on social media and disrespect, this lying and slandering, them can't call any name, you know. But when it comes to slandering and discrimination against disability act or anything like that, you know, say that the government ramp with that. You understand? But them can't call whatever name they want to call. But when you start to slander people, and when you start to tell lie, when you cause a call public mischief, when you talk to walk around and stalking people, then that's a different issue. The law is there. We need to make a Giuliani out of them. We need to make a Giuliani and the worker out of them. Giuliani tell lie and the workers said they were stuffing the ballots. I understand. And him lie. At $23 million them win. And him go back again, go tell Lion him sue him again. Now he's filing for bankruptcy. Julian in New York. Him filing for bankruptcy. So poor or not poor, we go after them pocket. It's just simple as that. You can't come on social media every day bringing down good people name. There is a rules and regulation for that. And that is where you guys come in. Come pitch in and help. We're gonna seek a lot. Hold on. We're gonna seek something for that man. Yes, I'm gonna go sleeping. I'm gonna go downstairs.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I'm gonna leave now.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time.
Oh, you have somebody else to do?
Yeah, no. If you want, I do work now for you.
Like, give me about 10 minutes so you can come back, and then I leave.
Take your time you want.
Okay,
yes.
No problem. All right.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so, yes, while them a chat me have people that come clean up after me. That's the life to live in a new year. So, let me give her 2 minutes. Because I am come already from man, and I stop them, and then come back again. Yes, so, that is it. So, I'm just saying, we have to put a stop to it. And this is my mission. It is my mission, because me, I live my life. I am living my life. And I'm very contented with my life me I live. I mean, I get no hands out. Me pay my own money out of my bank account. Me not get no freeness, boy. You understand? And these people come on social media and they judging you. They will heap writing because them jealous. Because I guess them never say nothing as so independent like a blogger like me. There's a lot of bloggers out there struggling to make ends meet. Lot of people on social media behind closed door right now. And them can't spend a night not even in a motel. Them not have no money. You understand? And I've been here since the 4th of December. You understand? And I'm a backyard me use. Since the 4th of December I've been in here and going on further. I see January come on, I'm still here. You understand? Me not get hands out. Me not get nothing. Me have to pay me money. Me hear them over there talk about say me I get special and me I get, even if me not get special, you still have to pay money. Nothing no free in America. Una just bad mind and grudgeful and una want to think about people. And una have to make sure una mind no business. Because a lot of una business is spoiling. Very much spoiling. Una have to understand that I'm a very strong black woman, else I wouldn't survive. I've been on my own for a very long time now. From 2010. From 2010, I have been on my own. And me no worse off than nobody else. I don't never see me out of place yet. Me no come out here come pour my problem. Me no come out here come pour my sorrow. Pauno. Miss, even when me have my worst day, me still come out here come put joy and happiness in our lives. When me I go through my situation. Me still come out here come make una happy. Come on. Una have to do better than that. Me members only and supporter. Come we have to put the foot down. Una have this year, una have to stop, una have to support, una have to stop put money in a people that are mentally sick head. Una have to send them to the doctor. If they don't want to go to the doctor, we make the court of law deal with them and send them there, because una cannot support bullying. Una cannot support slandering. Una have to do better than that. This is played out now. Una are repeating the same broken jukebox at all times. You understand? Marcia is a girl, me know to talk. Me know to inspire, me know to motivate. I'm a very talented, intellectual, intelligent girl. If me know to put my words, if me take my time and talk, I can speak very well to make people understand. Me know how to talk. Me know to adapt to the principles and certain things. Me now go be a citizen of the United States of America, abiding by all the rules and regulations and paying my taxes. I have people coming on social media when I'm paying the taxes and dragging people down. And when people not give them cash up and Zelle in their bank account, they get upset. It cannot work. I want to with America, you know. You can't run, but you can't hide. You can't run, we can run, but you can't run, but you can't hide. Unless you decide your mind, say you're not travel again. Or you must get catch. We have to put our foot down. This is far beyond joke. When you see somebody have to be taken, going to doctor and speaking to people, you must know say you're gone far. Yeah, you must know say you're gone far. You're gone very far. And who know are the culprit? Some of the members only too. You have to stop support these people. The more you go up on them page and the more you give them view. Why go up on people page and listen to the people them talk about the people them, somebody who bring joy and happiness in their life? Huh? What's up with that?